Bowers in the lead. Oswald hanging in there. Bowers and Oswald well out in front. Let's look for the first 50 split. 21-72. So Bowers ahead of his record pace from this morning. Oswald doing everything he can to hang in that race. But it's Bowers. How low can he go? Bowers, Oswald squeezing one last underwater out. What a great final, but it's going to be Bowers, 46.